before Einstein, before quantum computers. There was Max Planck, a quiet genius who changed the course of physics by accident. Born in 1858 in Kiel, Germany, Planck wasn't the kind of scientist chasing fame or rewriting the laws of nature. He believed in order, harmony, and the timeless truth of classical physics. But the universe had other plans. At the turn of the 20th century, physicists faced a bizarre puzzle: blackbody radiation. The math said hot objects should emit infinite energy, a clear absurdity. No one could solve it. Except Planck, though he didn't mean to. Trying to make the math work, he made a strange assumption. Maybe energy isn't continuous. Maybe it comes in tiny packets. He called them quanta. To Planck, it was just a mathematical trick, a workaround. He even called it an act of desperation. But that small step? It was the first spark of quantum theory. He published the idea in 1900. No fireworks, no fame. Even Planck himself didn't grasp what he'd unleashed. But a few years later, young scientists like Einstein picked up his idea and ran with it. Einstein used Planck's quanta to explain the photoelectric effect. Bohr used it to model the atom. Heisenberg and Schrödinger built entire worlds of theory from it. Suddenly, the world was changing. And Max Planck, the classical physicist, became the reluctant father of the quantum revolution. But his life wasn't all discovery and recognition. Planck lived through 2 world wars. He lost his wife, then a son in WWI. Then, during WWO, another son was executed for resisting Hitler. Through tragedy and devastation, Planck remained committed to science, truth, and integrity. In 1918, he finally received the Nobel Prize, not for building quantum mechanics, but for that first discovery: energy quanta in blackbody radiation. He never sought fame, but he gave us a new language to describe the universe. Today we name constants after him. We build technologies that rely on the physics he sparked. And quantum theory, once a desperate idea, is now the backbone of modern science. Max Planck didn't set out to change the world. But sometimes the greatest revolutions begin with a quiet question and the courage to follow the math, no matter where it leads. Story brought to light by Kevin Brown. All matter originates and exists only by virtue of a force. We must assume behind this force the existence of a conscious and intelligent mind.